How to install AG501 Pro Autosteer System. Let's follow me to install, step by step. Remove the original steering wheel. Choose the matched spline according to the diameter of the steering wheel bearing and the number of gears. Install motor bracket. Pre-fit the motor and bracket to choose a suitable install position. Choose the appropriate bolt, and it is recommended to select the shorter one. Fasten the motor bracket. Install the motor screw sets. Put motor back on the shaft. Tips: remember to put back the original screw nuts for the shaft. And fasten it with the bracket firmly. Fasten the screws. And then fix the steering wheel with the motor. It is recommended that the tablet be installed in the cab where it does not affect the driver's operation in sight, such as on the right door armrest. Use 3M glue on the back of the antenna mounting plate and stick it on the central axis of the top of the vehicle. Please note that the smart antenna indicator light should face forward, and the cable interface is at the rear. Connect the data link antenna and power cable. The front wheel angle sensor can be installed on either the left or right wheels, which can rotate left and right along with the tire. Make sure the sensor is attached firmly. The sensor wiring should be installed toward the rear. Connect the positive connector of the power cable to the positive pole of battery, and the negative connector to the negative pole. Please arrange the cables to prevent accidental damage. Connect the tablet cable. motor cable, the front wheel sensor, and the 4G antenna. Now, we have completed the installation of AG501 Pro Autosteer System.